Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on smooth line with markers report item. Before getting into this video, let me give a small introduction about this chart. The smooth line chart with markers allows you to showcase trends for analysis over a time period with marker points that are connected by a smooth line. In this video, I will show you how to add a smooth line chart with markers to an RDL report, and how to change its properties. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it Smooth Line Chart with Markers. To learn how to create your first report, click the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a dataset to assign data to the chart. Create a new data source, name it Temperature Details using the JSON data connector. And click the Connect button. The Query Designer page will open. Name it Temperature Dataset. And click the Finish button. A dataset is created. I have also provided the video link for creating a data source and dataset using the JSON data connector, and the documentation link for the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add the smooth line with markers to the report. Drag and drop the chart from the item panel to the designer's surface. You will also see the properties displayed. The Data tab is enabled to assign a value from the database to the chart. The Name field represents the name of the chart. The properties are divided into 13 categories based on its usage. You can change the size of the chart by extending the corners, or by dragging the points at the center. I resize the chart according to my requirement. Now let me assign data to the smooth line chart with markers. To assign data, click Data on the Properties panel. The Data panel will open, and you will see the fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, you can select the dataset you require by using the Dataset dropdown. The numeric columns and expressions are listed in the Measures section, and the remaining types of expressions and dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag the temperature field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the Settings button. The context menu will be displayed. Click the Aggregate option to display the list of aggregate methods. You can also change the aggregate function using the expression option. Click the Preview button. You will see the smooth line chart with markers, with the sum of the temperatures. Click the Design button. Then, I drag and drop the Weekdays field from the Dimensions section to the Column section. On Preview, the temperature for each day is displayed in the chart. You can group the fields by adding the fields in the Rows section. I drag and drop the temperature level field from the Dimensions section to the Rows section. On Preview, you will see the temperatures grouped based on the temperature level field and measured against Weekdays field values. Here the days are not sorted in any order. Click the Design button. To sort days in the ascending order, click the Settings icon for the Days field, and select Sorts. The sorting dialog will open. Click the icon next to the Sort by Value. and select the expression option. In the expression dialog, enter the expression that converts the day string to day name. And click the OK button. Select the sort type, ascending. Click OK. When assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the design area. On preview, the days are in the ascending order. Now, I'll format the smooth line chart with markers. To format the chart, click Properties. The Property panel will be displayed. Under the Appearance category, I change the border style to double. Color to black. Thickness to 1.833. In the chart area, I enable the Show Border property. The border property is displayed. I change the border color to black. Thickness to 2. And select the Chart Palette property, Pacific. In the title, I enter North Carolina Weather Report. The title changes accordingly. In the Node Data category, I enter Node Data to display. In the category axis, I enter days of the week. You can customize the font in the axis title property. Click the icon next to it. And select Advanced. In the Advanced property, I change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. In the Value axis, I enter the axis title value as temperature in Celsius. And change the font size to 13. And font weight to bold. Under the Miscellaneous category, I set the tooltip value to North Carolina Weather Report chart. Click the Preview button. You will see the chart. When hovering over the chart, you will see the text entered in the tooltip property displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add a smooth line with markers to the Report Designer control, and how it is rendered in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. We have also planned another video that explains the properties of the chart report item. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.